Ever wondered why Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland make their own laws? That's because of devolution, the transfer of power from Westminster. Devolution means giving certain powers from the UK Parliament to regional governments so they can make decisions closer to home. Devolution was introduced to recognise national identities and improve local decision making. Scotland has the most powers. The Scottish Parliament in Edinburgh can make laws on health, education, justice and transport. The Welsh Senedd in Cardiff controls areas like health, education and the environment, but defence and foreign policy stay with Westminster. The Northern Ireland Assembly in Belfast handles similar issues, but it's unique because power is shared between unionist and nationalist parties. Some powers remain with Westminster, like defence, foreign affairs and immigration. Devolution lets each nation make decisions that fit its people, but still keeps the UK united under one parliament. So, a quick recap. Devolution gives Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland their own parliaments. They control areas like health and education, while Westminster keeps defence and foreign affairs. That's devolution in the UK. Simple, clear and exam ready. Thanks for watching, and for more citizenship content, please like and subscribe.